Hi everyone, welcome to JDK Institution, your one-stop destination for high quality and affordable coaching for CET 2025 preparation. If you are a student preparing for CET, this video is super important for you. Stay with me till the end because we are going to introduce an incredible online coaching program that's cover all essential topics at just 100 rupees per subjects per month. Sound unbelievable? Let's dive into details. So, first let us know what is JDK Institution. JDK Institution, our motto is simple. Let's learn together. We believe that every student, no matter where they are from, they deserve access to quality education at an affordable price. That's why we launched this special online coaching program for CET 2025 with expert guidance and complete support. What makes JDK institution special? Let us go through one by one. First one is daily concept based teaching. We will cover 1 to 2 chapters per day with complete explanation so you can stay on track with your syllabus. 10 plus more than 10 years of PYQ discussion like previous year papers or the gold mines, and we will cover chapter wise solution for both first and second PUC. Mind maps and key formulas will be provided. Revision becomes super easy with ready-made mind maps and important formula sheets. Next one is daily homework and practice sheet. Regular practice ensures you to stay consistent and improve every single day. Weekend mock test and analysis will be given to track your performance and identify weak areas and improve with our detailed analysis. Flexible online classes, whether you are at home or at your relative house or traveling, you can attend classes anytime, anywhere. Next, what are the subjects covered here? One is physics. We will completely cover the syllabus of physics, both first and second PUC, with a strong focus on conceptual clarity, shortcuts, and problem solving techniques. Mathematics will be coming soon. We will be offering chapter wise problem solving session and important formula and smart tricks. And other subjects we are focusing on based on the demand. We will try to get other subjects like chemistry and biology. Next one is fee structure. What is the fee structure? Here is the best part. This is the here is the best part. Here the best part of all of this is available at just 100 rupees per subject per month. Yes, you heard that right. Quality coaching at such an affordable price so that every student can access the best education without any financial burden. What it includes? One is daily classes, second one is PYQ discussion, third one is homework assignment, and mind map mock test and analysis. Mind map and the formula sheet will be provided at the starting of the starting of the course itself. So it would be helpful to know what formulas we are gonna use. So all this in just 100 rupees per subject per month. What is the course duration? Course duration is up to 20 to 25 days or 1 month based on the CET date fixing. And here this 1 month we will have a intensive coaching program in just 30 days. We will help you to cover all important concepts, chapter wise PYQs, weekly mock test and revisions. Stay connected with JDK Institution. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for free video lectures and regular updates. And join our Telegram channel, which is link will be given below to get notification and study material for free. And for any admissions or queries, feel free to contact us. This is a contact number and our alternate mail ID. You can mail whatever you have it. So we have a limited seal to enroll because we are starting new. So we have limited seals because we are focusing on the quality education. That's why we have a limited seals. So enroll now. If you are serious about cracking CET 2025, this is the best opportunity to get top quality marks at unbeatable price. Let's learn together and make your dream a reality. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to support us and stay updates with latest study tips, tricks and important updates. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Moreover,